Nora was a bright and curious 7-year-old girl who loved nothing more than telling jokes and making people laugh. But one morning, something strange happened. Every joke in the world seemed to have vanished. When she tried to tell her favorite joke to her family, no one laughed. Not even a little giggle. The world felt suddenly quiet and dull. Determined to solve the mystery, Nora grabbed her best friend, Jib, a small green goblin with a big heart and a love for mischief. They set off on an adventure. "We have to find out what happened to all the jokes," Nora said, tightening her shoelaces. Their journey led them to the Cloud Joke Factory, a magical place high above the clouds where all the world's jokes were made. But something was wrong. The factory was silent, and the machines that usually churned out laughter were still. As they sneaked inside, Nora whispered to Jib, "We have to be brave and find the secret behind this silence." They tiptoed past the machines and found the factory boss, a grumpy troll named Grizzle. His face was twisted in a frown, and he was holding a big sack labeled Jokes. "Why are you hiding all the jokes, Grizzle?" Nora asked boldly. Grizzle sighed deeply and said, "Long ago I had a friend who loved jokes as much as I did, but we had a fight and stopped sharing laughs. I've been so sad that I forgot how important laughter is. That's why I locked away all the jokes," Grizzle continued. Nora's eyes softened and she replied, "You're lonely, Grizzle, but jokes and laughter are meant to be shared. They bring people together, heal sadness, and make life brighter." Jib nodded and added, "Maybe we can help you fix the friendship." Together, the three of them started to work. Nora used her creativity to come up with new funny jokes. Jib used his cleverness to repair the joke machines. And Grizzle began to smile as memories of laughter filled his heart. Finally, they sent all the jokes back into the world like sparkling bubbles, spreading giggles and smiles everywhere. Grizzle said, "Thank you for helping me see that friendship and laughter belong together. I'm ready to forgive and make new friends." Nora hugged the troll. "That's the best joke of all, the one about friendship and forgiveness." As they left the Cloud Joke Factory, Nora and Jib felt proud. They had solved the mystery and brought laughter back. They also reminded everyone how important it is to work together and learn to forgive and keep kindness alive. Laughter and friendship are powerful gifts that bring people together. Even when mistakes happen, forgiveness and teamwork can help us overcome sadness and make the world a happier place. Sharing joy and kindness is the best way to keep laughter alive.